see any splash? Hey, Rocky, you're getting us wet. Hehe, sorry.
Who wants to go looking for treasure in the sea with me?
Oh, I do.
Okay, Diver Funling, what should we look for?
Long lost gold. No, a shipwreck.
Actually, could you look for the thing I just dropped in the ocean?
Oh, okay, Rascal Funling. What was it?
It was, I can't remember. Something to do with my head, I think.
Maybe it was a hat.
Could be. We'll find it for you.
Yeah, let's go.
Can you see a hat anywhere?
Yes, I can, down there.
Let's get it. Whoa! Uh-oh, a shark!
That's not a real shark. It's a robot shark.
Oh yeah. Someone must be controlling it. I love my robot shark. So Funling, I'll take this. Hey, I was using that. You can have it back when we're finished swimming. No, he ruined my fun. Okay, there, I have the hat.
We found it, Rascal Funling.
Ta-da! Is this your hat? No, that's not mine. It wasn't a hat I dropped. What? Oh, then what did you drop? I think it was something you see through.
We'll have another look around.
Something that you look through.
Oh, is there something in the pink shell?
Yeah, an octopus.
No, behind the octopus.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, octopus. Please can we look in your shell?
You can keep the shell. We just want what's behind you.
Ah, binoculars. You look through them. They must be what Rascal Funling dropped.
Thank you, octopus.
Okay, we found it this time, Rascal Funling.
Ta-da! Your binoculars.
Binoculars? No, they're not mine.
Really? Oh, then who do they belong to?
I don't know. Is there anything else down there?
We'll look again.
What else could you look through?
Is there anything else down here you can look through?
Oh, what's that down there? It's a turtle caught in a net.
We'll help you, Turtle.
Okay, let's remove the net. There you go. Hang on, what's this?
Oh, sunglasses. You look through sunglasses. They must be Rascal Funlings.
We did it!
Ta-da! Here are your sunglasses, Rascal Funling.
No, they're not mine. Oh, but I remember what I dropped now. I dropped my goggles.
Goggles? Like the goggles down by the rocks?
Huh? Oh, there they are. I didn't drop them in the ocean. Now I can go swimming too. Oh, but the water looks a bit cold. I think I'll just go home.
They were by the rocks the whole time.
Yeah, instead we just found these random things. What a waste of our time.
Oh, my glasses! You found my glasses!
These are your sunglasses, Delivery Funling?
Yes, I lost these weeks ago. I thought they were gone forever. Thank you so much.
Well, at least you made Delivery Funling happy.
Snowy!
Those are your binoculars, Snowy?
Snowy!
Huh, I didn't realise Snowy likes looking out to sea.
You brightened up his day too.
Oh, my hat! I dropped this in the sea ages ago. I can't believe you found it. Thank you. Well, would you look at that? We didn't waste our time today at all.
No, instead of just making Rascal Funling happy, we made lots of Funlings happy. Today was more successful than we thought.
Let's get this crate of dog food to the lookout tower. What was that? That doesn't sound like dog food. Something's inside the crate. Do you think it's a monster? I wonder what it is. Hey, look at that! It's a baby sea turtle! Aw, they're so cute! We should probably get this baby turtle back to the sea. Hello, Chef Funling. Do you have any doggy treats?
Yes, I do, Robbo. I'll get one for you now.
Huh? What was that? I'm sure I just saw something. There it was again. Oh wow! Look! It's a baby sea turtle. I should help get this sea turtle back to the sea. Oh, hello Chase and Marshall. You found a baby sea turtle too? Yes, we did. We found it in the crate we were moving. Coral can look after them now.
Well done for rescuing them. I'll help them get back into the water. Come on, turtles, follow me.
At least the turtles are now safe and back at the beach. That's right. Hopefully they'll easily find their mummy. Paw Patrol pups, we have a new mission. Everyone head to the lookout tower. Oh, a new mission. Let's go. Sorry we're late, Ryder. We were rescuing 2 baby sea turtles. Well done, pups. And we need to perform another rescue. Is that everyone? Let's head into the lookout tower. Right, pups. Chickaletta is stuck on the top of a waterfall. And... what was that? Sorry. I thought I saw something. Anyway, we need to help get Chickaletta down safely. Huh? Is there someone else in this room? Oh no! It's one of the baby turtles! It must have snuck into my digger as I left the beach. I wonder why it didn't want to go back into the sea. Don't worry everyone, Chase and I will take this little turtle back to the beach. Thank you, Marshall. Everyone else, let's rescue Chickaletta! Hi, Coral. We found this baby sea turtle again. Can you help it back into the water? Oh no, they're running away! There you go, Coral. Oh no, not again! I wonder why they keep running away.
Don't worry, I found some yummy seaweed for the baby turtle to eat. This way.
There's Chickaletta. Zuma, use your energy bubble. Yes, Ryder. Wait a minute. Oh no, Ryder, I think I found one of the baby sea turtles. They're climbing the waterfall. Why are they climbing the waterfall? Oh no, quick! We need to catch that turtle! Come back! Oh no, the baby turtle is heading for the waterfall! Ryder, the other sea turtle is climbing the waterfall! Sky, can you fly and see what's going on?
Yes, Ryder. Ryder, I think I found the reason the baby turtles won't stay at the beach. I think their mummy is stuck in the waterfall.
So that's why the turtles keep coming back. Zuma, can you use your energy bubble again? There we go. Well done, everyone. Now let's get these turtles to the beach one last time. Yay! We rescued the baby turtles.
And the turtles aren't running away this time.
Oh, turtles, I found lots and lots of seaweed. Well done, everyone.
Pups, this is a platypus. It's an animal that can live in both water and on land. We don't find many of them round here, so it's important to keep this one safe.
While Safari Funling and I find it a better home, can you lot look after it and make sure it stays safe? Of course. Yes, Ryder.
Thanks, Pups. We'll be back soon.
Well, this should be an easy morning for us. Yeah, all we have to do is make sure this platypus stays where it is. This is an easy mission. Yeah, so long as you behave, platypus. What? It's gone! Oh no! How did that happen?
Oh no, look! Safari Funling didn't close the gate when he left.
The platypus must have walked away. It can't have gone far. Eh? It's on Thomas's truck. I'll get it back. Thomas, stop! Chase? Thanks for stopping. There's a platypus on your truck. A platypus? Really? It must be small because I don't see it. Oh no, it's gone. It must have jumped off as soon as you stopped.
Snowy.
Hey look, Snowy says he caught the platypus. Well done, Snowy. I'll carefully melt the ice so we can take it back to the pond. Hey, this isn't a platypus, it's a cake.
Snowy. Nom, 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 nom.
The platypus isn't over here. I think I saw it. It went into that cave over there. I'll get it out. Hello, platypus. Oh, I can't squeeze past this rock. I'll have to move it. There. And... what? It's not in here. There must be another way out of this cave. It's running away. I'll catch it with my energy bubble. I caught a rhino instead. Run!
It can't be that difficult to catch a platypus. Let me have a go. Gotcha. See? That wasn't so difficult.
Sky, you didn't catch the platypus. You caught a wheelbarrow.
Did I? Then the platypus must be over there. Oh, it's gone.
Don't worry, I'll find it with my X-ray vision. Is it in this skip? No. Is it in this Funling house? No. Is it in this building? Yes, there it is. And I don't think it can get out. This is the perfect opportunity for us to bring it back to this pond. But this time, we need to work together. Good point, Rocky. I'll free it from the building. I'll get you out. Oh, the door's locked. Okay, watch out. Oh! There, you're free. Now please walk back to the pond. Time for a drink. Oh no you don't, Platypus. Go back to the pond. Yes, it's following the tasty worm.
Over here, Platypus.
Gotcha! Yes, the platypus is safely back by the pond. Phew! Now we just need to keep it here.
We're back. I see everything went alright here.
We found the perfect home for the platypus.
Well done for keeping it safe. Now we can take it to its new home.
Let's go to the beach. Ah! I'm okay. Let's go. Wow, look over there. It's Tuck and Ella.
Pups, I need your help fixing the light bulb in the lighthouse.
Little is what I do. Fixed it.
Thanks, Pups.
Do you want to join us at the beach?
Yeah, we would love to.
I made a sandcastle. Hey!
Sorry, I didn't see you there.
That's okay. Let's change into pirates. Where's our ship? And where's the treasure? That was fun. Pups, there's a baby whale that needs rescuing. We can help. Marshall and Zuma, can you keep the whale wet? I'll use my mighty powers. It's working! Rubble, can you use your digger to remove sand around the whale? Rubble on the double! All done! The baby whale is stuck on a log. Okay, Chase and Tuck, use your winch to remove the log. I'll attach the winch. Now Rocky and Ella, can you pull the whale back in the sea? Sky, make sure everything goes well. Let's make a rope gadget. This should help pull the whale back into the sea. All clear. Pull. Yes, we rescued the whale. Well done, everyone. We worked well together.